Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's make this really cute little chick look amazing. I got this little chick at the Hobby Lobby. I got it on sale for like $1.99. I don't know why I decided that I thought that it needed to be fixed up, but there was something that just, I seen it and I thought, I'm going to try this. And honestly, you guys, it kind of turned out the way I wanted it to. I don't know. It's kind of different. But anyway, I took and put some Bonding Boss and some white paint, and we are going through here and we are striping this. And then I'm going to go around it and we're going to make the check marks. You guys can kind of see where I'm squaring that off, and then I'm going to start painting in my little checks. I know this is different, you guys, doing a chick like this, but why not? Hey, you can put checks on anything. And today, just so happens, this little chick is getting some checks. And I'm just taking my time and going around each one of these. I've actually kind of made this just a little bit faster, but it's not super fast where it's hard to watch. So you can see we're just filling all those in, and as it goes with the body, the size just keeps increasing as you go down into the larger parts of the chicken. But this really turned out cute, you guys. I decided that I'm going to do the comb and the little beak and the little eyebrows. We're going to do those all in gold. Then once I got that done, I decided to do his little legs in gold as well. So we're going to go after the legs and paint them all gold. Once we get that all done, we're going to put some highlights and lowlights on these checks. This is what makes it look so cute. It gives it that, I don't know, I really like the way it looks. Okay, so I'm going and getting other things. I got the candlestick from our friend Linda from the page, and I also got this little, I want to call it a cloche, but it's really not a cloche. It's just like a domed, I believe these are for Christmas time, you guys. I think they're supposed to be for water globes or whatever you want to call them, snow globes. But we're going to use this for this little chicken. I'm adding some fringe and a piece of white lace. Then we're going to add our little chicken here. I'm going to end up gluing him to the bottom of the cloche that we're making. And I've got some flowers we're going to add to it. I want to make sure everything was going to fit okay. And I keep putting it on there just to make sure things are going to fit. And then we're going to start gluing all this down as we put it in here. Look how cute this is, you guys. And I know it's kind of crazy with the check chick, but hey, you never know. Somebody's got a need for this, I'm sure. And I didn't like the way it looked, so I went and got the knob to put on it. And then that's when I decided to turn it into a cloche. I added some Bonding Boss on this, and then I painted it black. And then I'm taking this little black and white checked ribbon and putting on around it. And I needed some bling, so I went and got some bling and added some bling to this ribbon, top and bottom of the ribbon. Then we just glued it to the top of this little dome. I think this turned out so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you will, do me a favor, y'all, share this out there. Have a great day.